Hello, I'm Daria, co-founder of Sellscreen.io, and today we're gonna talk about what business model you wanna choose for your business and what kind of products are popular for the Shopify stores in the UAE region. So first of all, short story about how it works in the Middle East specifically. So in the Middle East, Amazon and Noon are represented in a very good way in the regions such as UAE, KSA, and Egypt. But for rest of the market in the GCC and MENA, most of the e-commerce are operated not by a marketplace itself where third-party sellers sell, but mostly for their retailers, online retailers, like small business owners, which are running their websites on Shopify or sell on any other platform, and this is the quite good way to work as well, especially when you are ready to deal with fulfillment and you know how to do marketing, etc. Another reason is for that, of course, the marketplaces that just started in the Middle East. We see that Noon only has 4 years history, and Amazon here has long history, but it's still kind of new for the market. And this next thing is that for specific categories like fashion, beauty, these marketplaces are not really work quite well. So today we're gonna check with Sellscreen.io what kind of products are selling good in Shopify. First of all, how we get this data? We collect the data from the Shopify stores which are selling in dirhams, so which basically gives you understanding of what kind of products are popular for this specific region. So on the screen you can see all the products we collecting. It's actually, the number of products is quite little. It's less than 1 million products. So let's say for comparison, in the Noon there are almost 5 million products, and the Amazon locally sold around 3 to 4 million products. What we can see here, first of all, we can see here the Facebook ads. So Facebook ads is the one of the filter. Basically, those products have different ads which created quite recently, and you can see what kind of competition you're gonna see in the market in the future. So for example, here's coffee maker press, that kind of product. Unfortunately, we cannot see the revenue and sales data. The reason why, because there is the seller doesn't provide the stock, and we usually read the stock data to calculate the sellouts for the products. But the interesting information that you can get is then you can go to this product and you can actually check their website. Another way to sort the products is actually sort them by the revenue in the period. So this gives you information about the best sellers in the different niches, which could be useful for you if you set specific criteria for your product search. For example, you want to sell the products with the price up to 60 dirhams. So you put this filter in the price, and here you can see the different kind of products which are selling for that kind of money. By the way, you can play with the price. You can put the price in any range, and it's always gonna give you the different information. But it's a still great thing, because for example, you can who would guess that kind of product which costed the price of 90 dirhams generate 66,000 dirhams a month. I guess this is with really good numbers, and you may want to check the store out and understand what kind of products they actually sell and how that kind of product could be that kind of popular. And of course you can check like at what price this product was selling during the time you see this product, how many variants it has, like basically if it has any colors, what kind of content benchmark they have, etc. Let's go to the filter and check another additional filters. So another thing, except the price, what you may want to do is to check products which were created quite recently. For example, the products which created started from last month. So 17. Oh, let's start like let's say from the July 1st, 2023. Right, so sorting by date of creation, we put in the date the end of July, 30th of July, and you can see the top products there. There's a lot of fashion products, so to avoid that kind of issue, what you can do is actually to put in the title what exactly you want to sell. So let's say you want to say collagen something, I don't know, and you can see, for example, all the products by that keyword. So if in the title of this product there's the word collagen, we're gonna find the product and gonna give you the numbers on how good this product is selling. So you can see here this kind of bioactive collagen jelly generates 94,000 dirhams, this one 13, this one 4, and like sugar bear generate quite low revenue. But anyway, this is something you can do the title. Another thing, if you know that your competitor, you can check how they actually sell in using different Shopify stores, or if they actually build a product on Shopify. So there are also their like brand called generic. By generic, that means like their products without the brand. And this is what I really like to do. We also can sort them by the total reviews, or you actually can find some kind of store. For example, there is online bookstore Bookend, and you want to check what kind of products are selling at that online store. So the data for Shopify is not only useful if you are selling in using your own website, it's also useful if you want to launch something for Amazon, because you can understand that for some specific products, people looking on not only on Amazon, they also search in Google, and this is the kind of option they can see. Sometimes it's very hard to find those kind of shops because we don't know the whole keywords people use, but using that tool, you quite easily can identify your competitors, understand their prices, understand their sales, and in general, I think this is something you want to learn about. And if you want to use our service Sellscreen.io for 7 days for free, I suggest you to use the promo code which we put below this video. Like, this is absolutely free. You're gonna you will need to go through the registration process with us, and also you're gonna get 7 days for free, but you will need to cancel your subscription in 7 days. To do that, you need to go to the Sellscreen settings section, your account subscription, and cancel it in one click. Please don't forget to do it, and thank you very much for your attention. Have a great sales, and wish you have a great day. Thank you.